Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Our Life Journey. If you're new, welcome. My name is Patricia. So for today, I want to do something a little bit different. I have shown this particular thing in a previous video, and today I want to do a very special video just on it, if you will. So it's the Pozole Bombs. So I actually reached out to Pozole and they actually sent this to me to try it out, and I want to make a soup. Now, if you've seen my previous videos, I did kind of like a gnocchi mac and cheese, if you will, the gnocchi. So I have my ground chicken. I'm going to take one of these Pozole Bombs. And then I have this bone broth that I got from Fry's. I think you can find it in a lot of the supermarkets, but this one is very, very clean ingredients. Where are you? Chicken bone broth, water, chicken bones, onions, carrots, fennel, leeks, apple cider vinegar, thyme, shiitake mushrooms, I don't know how to say this word, tamarind paste, bay leaves, sea salt. That's it. Like super clean ingredients. And then this one as well. That's why they have a few different seasoned bombs, if you will. But this one, salt. The spices include chili pepper, garlic, tomato, and xanthan gum. That's it. So of course I was very excited to try this out, and we need variety, right? There are days that you want a soup, there are days that you want something more hearty or a steak, and it's good to have variety. So got my ground chicken ready and thawed, and I'm just gonna go straight into this soup. So let's try it out together. First time ever making this. So again, if I fail with you guys watching me. So be kind if I fail, all right? But all right, anyway, let's get to it. Okay, so I have my bone broth here, and I wanna see how many cups are in one of these containers. Here's 1, 2, and a little bit. So 2, and I have no idea how much that was. All right, and then I'm also gonna add 4 cups of water on top. I might do another one. All right, I'm very curious to see how this smells. Very tomatoey. Oh my gosh, the seasonings, it smells so good. All right, let me see. Yeah, this is nice. All right, so I'm bringing it up to a boil. I'm going to drop in my pozole bomb right now. Look at this color, you guys. And this is what it's looking like. A lot of seasonings. Wow. All right, put a little bit here. I want to give it a taste test. Wow, that's really good. You know what? I think at this point I'm gonna take it out, because this one pozole bomb flavored this water with the chicken broth like big time. I'm gonna save this for later. And then I wanna see how well it holds up now that it's been soaking. All right, so the reason why I put the pozole bomb in first, because I want the chicken gnocchi to take the flavor of that. So I'm going to just form little, I'm gonna try to form little balls like last time. Oh my gosh, I'm making a mess. I think the hole is too small. All right, let's give her a stir. Make sure we got all of the chicken moving around and cooking. This smells absolutely amazing. All right, at this point, all of the chicken has risen to the top. You know that it's cooking. It's getting to the point where it's going to be cooked all the way through and you don't have to worry. So I'm gonna give it one more little stir. And I'm gonna leave it for another, I'm gonna say 2 minutes. I'm gonna give her a little bit of a stir, but then I also wanna give it a taste test now that the chicken is in it. I'm gonna take a little bit here and let this cool down first. All right, let's give her a taste. Oh my gosh, you guys, that is really good. I am not gonna put salt in that. Oh yeah. Here's a closer look of what the ingredients are. It has salt. That is the first ingredient and I can definitely taste it. So do not add salt in your soup or any other things. I mean, you guys, you taste it, okay? And then you decide. All right, one more stir. I actually turned off the stove. So I left it maybe a good 10 minutes. I really want to make sure that the chicken is cooked through. This smells absolutely amazing. Now let's put us a bowl here of this soup. This looks so good. All right, I'm letting my soup cool down. It is like scorching hot, but I wanted to share with you guys what the leftover pozole bomb looks like. I think if you put it like in a Ziploc bag or maybe put some saran wrap on it, you can actually stick it in the fridge and use it for next time. Because I'm telling you, that's a lot of flavor. Chicken pozole soup. Let's give this a taste test. I know I'm gonna burn myself, but yeah. Ready? That is excellent. Oh my gosh. Very, I'm gonna say perfect for like cooler weather. You want a soup, but you don't want all of the other stuff in it, the ingredients. I mean, this thing, it's got clean ingredients and you saw I used maybe half of the bomb. So you can definitely make multiple things with this. I might do something in a slow cooker as well. Stay tuned for that. I'm gonna see. But wow. This thing right here, the broth. So I did use one thing of the bone broth. Let me see here. It says 1 container, 478 grams. So I mean, the ingredients again on this one is super clean. So one of this is like 2 cups and if we're really measuring. And then I added 6 cups of water on top, 1 bomb, which I didn't even use the whole bomb. And then the ground chicken, which that was a little bit more than a pound. I didn't want to have 2 separate pounds and then a little bit. So I just kind of like separated, it was like 1.2 pounds. So that thing right there is going to last me quite a while. I can probably eat again another 2 times. So, but oh my gosh, make it, let it cool down, stick it in the fridge. And then whenever you guys are hungry or want something simple, fast, and just kind of maybe a little bit more lighter, because eating a lot of ground beef, pork, chicken, you know, heaviness, sometimes maybe our body's like, can I have some liquids, please? So this liquid is amazing. I'm gonna burn myself. All right, I want another bite. Hold up. Highly recommend. I will have the link for this down below. You guys wanna get it? Description, I got the link, and it would help me out too, I'm not gonna lie. So this is today's meal, chicken pozole soup. Highly recommend. So, oh my gosh. All right, you guys got any questions for me? You know what to do. Leave a comment down below. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Hey, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I also love seeing those like buttons go up. So, all right, you guys, you will be seeing this in next week's video. So 4th week on the carnivore challenge. So today is Wednesday. You're gonna see it next video on Wednesday, but this is kind of like the step-by-step how I made it, and oh my gosh, am I happy that I made it. So I will see you guys next week for the 4th week on the carnivore challenge, but till my next video, I love you all. God bless you. Have a beautiful and blessed day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.